Welcome to ASMTower software tutorial videos. In this video, we will learn how to design a wall mount in ASMTower software. First, let's define the wall mount main pipe. From the Geometry group, Pole Parts group, open Straight Pole dialog box. Set the length of the pole to 3 meters and the top elevation will be calculated accordingly by ASMTower, so we will leave it blank. From number of sides, select round. Next, we'll define pipe dimensions. Suppose the pipe diameter is 88.9 mm and the pipe thickness is 5 mm. Since we are defining round section, there's no need to enter the bend radius. From Material Standard, select ASTM. And Material Grade, select A53 Grade A. Click the Calculate Missing Data button to fill in all missing data. Click OK. Click Update to refresh the graphics. You see the main pipe is added to 3D view. Let's define the wall mount horizontal support section. Open the Selected Section dialog box. Let's define pipe section. Select CHS 88.9 by 5. From Material Standard, select ASTM. And Material Grade, select A53 Grade A. Click OK. Let's model the horizontal supports of the wall mount. We will define them as horizontal struts. From Geometry group, Strut group, open Geometry dialog box. Let's define the lower horizontal support. Set the elevation of attach similar to the elevation of base and equal to 0.25 meters. And for the horizontal support length, it will be entered as the radius of base. Let's put it equal to 0.5 meters. Then choose the horizontal support cross-section that we have already defined in Selected Sections dialog box. Select CHS 88.9 by 5. From Offset Type, select Single Leg. For leg or face, select A. Set the fixation point as Support. To define the upper horizontal support, select the first row and drag it. Modify the elevations of attach and base to be 0.75 meters. Click OK. Click Update to let ASMTower fill in all blank fields with the default values. You see the struts are added to the wall mount as horizontal supports. Note: ASMTower default moment release condition for both ends of any strut is hinged connection. In the case of wall mount, modelling the horizontal supports with no moment constrains at both ends of struts will lead to unstable structure. Thus, the user has to define member option for those horizontal supports with moment release condition as none. From Geometry group, Strut group, open Option dialog box. Enter the name of the option. From Release Type, select None. Click OK. Click Update to let ASMTower fill in all blank fields with the default values. Now we are going to define that base connection. Enter the name of the connection. Let's enter the square base plate with dimension equal to 200 mm. Select the Bolt Detail tab. Here we will add one group of 4 anchors in a rectangular arrangement. Select the Anchor Assembly tab. If you check this box, the development length will be ignored. Click OK. Reopen Strut Geometry dialog box. Form option name, select the option that will have just added in strut option for all struts. The user can choose from a list of predefined base connections to be assigned to the strut base. It can be left blank if check on base connection is not needed. Let's choose strut connection for all struts. Click OK. Click Update to refresh the graphics. You see base connections are added to the struts. If the connection is added in the wrong direction, you can rotate it. From the Geometry group, open the base connection. Set the tilt adjustment to 90 degrees. Click Update. Click OK. Click Update to refresh the graphics. Now you see the connection is rotated. Let's define the wall mount antenna. Set the elevation equal to 1.5. Select type of antenna. From offset type, select leg. For leg or face, select B. Modify horizontal offset to be 0.2 meters. Set the azimuth adjustment equals to 60 degrees. Click Update to refresh the graphics. Click Analysis. Attention! Since there's no fixation at the wall mount base, we have to make sure no support is checked here before running the analysis to get the correct results. Click OK. Click Done. As you can see, the structure is now coloured based on members' utilisation ratios. Thank you for watching.